Welcome to HomePan Pro. Today we are taking a deep dive into the Nectar Luxe 14-inch memory foam mattress in twin size. If you are someone who struggles with waking up sore, or if you sleep hot and find yourself constantly tossing and turning, you know how important a good mattress is. We spend a third of our lives sleeping, so choosing the right bed is one of the most critical investments you can make for your daily productivity and overall health. Let us break down everything you need to know about this mattress to see if it deserves a spot in your bedroom. First, let us talk about the unboxing and setup process because bed-in-a-box mattresses have changed the game completely. The Nectar Luxe arrives in a surprisingly compact box considering it is a 14-inch mattress. Setting it up is remarkably simple. You just move the box to the room you want to use it in, carefully take the mattress out of the box, unroll it on your bed frame, and watch it expand right before your eyes. While it starts expanding immediately, you will want to give it about 24 hours to fully decompress and reach its maximum comfort level. It is practically effortless and takes almost no physical strain. Now, let us examine the core features that set the Luxe apart from standard memory foam options on the market. Nectar designed this model as a major step up from their classic version, specifically focusing on temperature regulation and pressure relief. When it comes to temperature, overheating is the #1 complaint people have with traditional memory foam. The Nectar Luxe solves this by packing double the cooling fibers compared to the classic model. The breathable cooling fabric cover works continuously to dissipate body heat so you wake up feeling refreshed instead of sweaty. Moving on to comfort and ergonomics, this mattress features 3 times more pressure relief than the classic model. It includes 2 extra inches of contouring memory foam. This means when you lie down, the foam molds precisely to the curves of your body. If you suffer from back pain or hip soreness, this is a massive advantage. The contouring layer specifically targets high-tension areas to reduce stress, while the adaptive support layer underneath promotes proper spinal alignment. Whether you sleep on your side, your back, your stomach, or switch positions all night long, this medium-firm mattress provides the optimal balance of support and cushioning. Nectar is America's most awarded mattress brand for a reason, backed by a community of over 5.5 million happy sleepers. Plus, the manufacturer gives you incredible peace of mind with a generous 1-year trial period. Every product has its strengths and weaknesses, so let us look at the pros and cons based on our thorough analysis. Starting with the pros. The cooling technology is exceptionally effective, keeping you comfortable throughout the night. The pressure relief is top tier, making it a fantastic choice for anyone dealing with chronic back or hip pain. The setup process is quick and hassle-free. The medium-firm feel accommodates all sleeping positions comfortably. And the 1-year trial period lets you test the mattress thoroughly in your own home before making a final commitment. Looking at the cons. Because it is a 14-inch thick memory foam mattress, it is quite heavy, so you might need a second person to help maneuver the box into position. Also, like most new memory foam products, there is a slight off-gassing odor when you first open it, though this dissipates completely within a day or 2 of good ventilation. To conclude, the Nectar Luxe 14-inch memory foam mattress delivers on its promises of advanced cooling, superior pressure relief, and versatile support for every type of sleeper. If you are ready to upgrade your sleep setup and finally say goodbye to morning aches and pains, this mattress is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.